Morning, dear kids. Today I'm continuing with your same chapter, that is chapter number 11, exercise 11.4. Let's start with our first, which says, given a cylindrical tank, in which situation will you find surface area, in which situation volume? Okay, see, now what they are asking for, let's see first. आप किस सिचुएशन में एक सिलेंड्रिकल टैंक का सरफेस एरिया निकालोगे और किस में वॉल्यूम निकालोगे. लेट्स सी व्हाट इट गोज फॉर. You have to find how much it can hold. So whenever we want certain things के कंटेनर कितना होल्ड कर पाता है तो we go for volume. Correct? नेक्स्ट इज नंबर ऑफ सीमेंट बैग्स रिक्वायर्ड टू प्लास्टर इट. आप उसको प्लास्टर कर रहे हो, कलरिंग कर रहे हो, तो उसके सरफेस एरिया पे करोगे. सो फॉर योर नेक्स्ट यू विल गो फॉर सरफेस एरिया. थर्ड इज टू फाइंड द नंबर ऑफ स्मॉलर टैंक्स दैट कैन बी फिल्ड विथ वाटर फ्रॉम इट. उस बड़े से टैंक में से आप कितना पानी छोटे छोटे टैंक्स में फिल कर पाते हो. सो फॉर दैट यू हैव टू गो फॉर वॉल्यूम. Got my point clear? Okay, so in that case you can say that whenever we have the amount of space occupied by an object like water, milk, anything else, then we have to find the volume of the object. When we want to cover the region or the outer surface, then we will go for surface area. Clear? Problem number 2 says diameter of a cylinder A is 7 centimeter and height is 14. Diameter of cylinder B is 14 centimeter and height is 7. Okay, without doing any calculations, can you suggest whose volume will be greater? Now see, we can say that the volume of container B will be greater because the radius of B is greater than the radius of A. Got my point? So we'll just find it now. And let's check, let's verify our answer. Let's find the volume. For volume, we have diameter for cylinder का ले लेते हैं. Diameter is given as 7. So radius is 3.5. And height is given as 14. Correct? So volume will be, the volume formula is, my dear kids, it's the circumference area into height. Correct? So that will be pi r square h. So that will go pi r square h. Please put in the values. You can put pi 22 by 7. Your radius is 3.5 and 3.5 and your height is 14. Calculate this, my dear kids. We can also now find volume of container B. For container B, your height is 7. Container B's height is 7 and the radius is also 7. 14 upon 2, that will make 7. You have to find the volume. Let's put in the volume formula, that is pi r square h. Put in all the values. So that will be 22 by 7 into 7 into 7 into 7. Now see to it what values you are getting for volume of container A and volume of container B. You will find that the volume of B is greater than the volume of A. Correct? Okay. Then we have to check whether the cylinder with greater volume has also the greater surface. Okay. Now let's find the surface area of both. I'll take up a fresh page. Okay, let's find the surface area. So surface area of container A and container B. As you know, the total surface area formula is 2 pi r h plus 2 pi r square, from where you will take 2 pi r common and inside will be h plus r. This is the formula for total surface area. You have all the dimensions with you? Yes. So you can put it container A dimensions. That is, your 3.5 is the radius and the height is 14. Put it into this and get the value of surface area. For container B, radius is 7 and also height is 7. Put in values of radius and height into this formula and get the surface area of container B. What you will notice that the cylinder with greater volume, that is cylinder B, will have the larger surface area. Correct? Perfect. Next we have find the height of a cuboid whose base area is 180 cm square and volume is 900 cm cube. My dear kids, base area का itself मतलब क्या है? Length into breadth. That is given as 180 centimeter square. And what is volume given? Volume is given as 900 centimeter cube. We know the volume formula of a cuboid. Yes? Perfect. Now put the value of volume, put the value of length and breadth, and can you not find height from it? Yes, perfect. Problem number 4. A cuboid of dimensions this. How many small cubes with 6 cm side can be placed in given cuboid? आप इतने जो आपको cuboid दिया हुआ है 60 by 54 by 30. इस cuboid में आपको छोटे छोटे small cubes डालने हैं. आप कितने cubes डाल पाओगे? How many small cubes you will put? So the formula for that is number of cubes will be equal to volume of cuboid divided by volume of each cube. Yes, my dear kids, go for volume of cuboid, that is length into breadth into height. And what about volume of cube? It is 6 into 6 into 6, that is side cube. When you divide this, you will get the number 450. That means 450 small cubes you can put into this cuboid. Correct? Let's jump on to next, which says find the height of a cylinder whose volume is this. Okay, first I'll draw a cylinder. You have to find the height. The volume is given as 1.54 meter cube and the diameter is given as 140 centimeter. If the diameter is 140 centimeter, so the radius will be obviously 140 divided by 2, that is 70 centimeter. Perfect. You have to convert this into meter because you have many of the things in meters. So it will be 0.7 meters. Correct? Perfect. Now put the formula of volume. That will be volume is equal to, what is volume of cylinder? It is pi r square h. So volume is given as 1.54. Pi value you can take 22 by 7. R is 0.7 into 0.7. And you have to find the value of h. Let's take this 7 on this side into multiplication. And the rest of the things which are in multiplication here, you have to take them down into division. Correct? And from there, you will get the value of height. Can you do the calculations on your own? Yes, get me the value of height. Correct. Next, problem number 6. It goes, a milk tank is in the form of a cylinder whose radius is 1.5. So this is a cylinder here. I'll mark red for this. Okay. This is the cylinder structure if you can see. The radius is given as 1.5. The length, that means height, is given as 7 meter. Find the quantity of milk in liters that can be stored. Whenever you want to find the quantity, that means capacity, that means volume. And volume is pi r square h. You have radius, you have height, put it into this formula and get the volume. Now whatever volume you will get, you don't have to get it in you will get it in centimeter cube. Yes, because I guess everything is in meter or centimeter. Let me check. Okay, everything is in meter. So volume you will get meter cube. So we want the volume in liters. So what we will do it? 1 meter cube is equal to 1000 liters. So now whatever answer you will get, you have to multiply with 1000 so that your answer is converted into liters. Got my point clear? Problem number 7 says, if each edge of a cube is doubled, how many times will its surface area increase? So let's see, it's a cube. Each cube side is doubled. So first it was, suppose first I'll put it as A, and my other cube which is of side 2A, can we put it like this? You will find the surface area with this A, so it will be 6A square. With this it will be 6 into 2A square, correct? So that will be 6 into 4A square. Am I correct with this? So your surface area for a bigger cube is this. For a smaller cube with side A is this. You have to find the times. How many times? Now my dear kids, if you want to find the times, you can also do it like this. This is 6 4s are. I'll put 4 here and I'll put 6A here. Will that work? I have just flipped this. 6A square is same. That means this bigger cube will have its surface area 4 times greater. How many times will its surface area increase? So you will write 4 times it will increase. Can you see here 4 is multiplied? I got the extra 4 in my answer when I compared my surface area with the previous cube. Perfect. Next way I have how many times will its volume increase. Now let me find the volume. Volume of your first cube will be A cube. Am I correct? And volume of your second cube will be 2A the whole cube. That will make 8A cube. Now what difference you find it in A cube and 8A cube? That means volume of a new bigger cube has increased 8 times. Got my point clear? So for your first the answer is 4 times. For your second the answer is 8 times. Let's jump on to next. Water is pouring in a cuboidal reservoir at the rate of 60 liters per minute. If the volume of reservoir is 108 meter cube, find the number of hours it will take to fill the reservoir. Now, volume of reservoir is given as 108 meter cube. Rate of pouring कितने स्पीड में आ रहा है? So it is 60 liters per minute. Correct? So if I want to convert this liters into meter cube, can I divide by 1000? Yes, my dear kids, because I said you already that 1000 meter cube will be equal to, we have 1 meter cube is equal to 1000 liters. Perfect. So 1 liter will be equal to 1 upon 1000 meter cube. So I have converted this into meter cube. So I got 60 upon 1000 meter cube per minute. So that's the rate. Okay, कितने स्पीड से आ रहा है पानी और रिजर्वॉयर में जा रहा है. It's a cuboidal reservoir. Okay, let's see what further we can do it here. Can I now convert this into hours? And how I'll convert my minutes to hours? By dividing with 60. Correct? So I'll divide by 60. When this fraction is taken into multiplication, it will be 60 into 60 upon 1000 meter cube per hour. Got my point clear? Okay. So you got that this many meter cube can be filled in 1 hour. So if I get the exact value, it will be 3.6 meter cube per hour. Okay, and you have to fill 108 meter cube. तो अगर 1 घंटे में 3.6 मीटर क्यूब, सो कितने आवर्स में will be 108 meter cube. So what you will be doing is you will divide, cross multiply, so that will get you x is equal to 108 divided by 3.6, and that will give you your answer as 30 hours. Perfect. Did you got the point clear? Okay, God bless.